it's time for dessert, guys. We're staying crispy and crunchy. We're doing a crunchy dessert, and our first super mom drops by on the show. You saw her last week if you've been following the series right here at Home Sweet Home. Her name is Chef Tricia Gregoire. And just before I toss Tricia to see what she's doing today, just reminding you that Tricia brought out an entire line of gourmet pastas, fresh pasta. Once you try fresh pasta, you'll never go back. Trust me. And an entire line, KCP Delights, look out for it. She is at a couple of the markets, Namdevco Market in Macoya. And
also at Anthony's Floral at Ballpark Shopping Plaza.
Or you can call her directly at 682-8190 for your orders. But no pasta today. Tricia is in a sweet mood today. She is doing a crunchy dessert.
Yes.
What are you doing for us, Tricia?
We are doing a cookies and cream healthy mousse.
Cookies and cream. So that's the cookies?
Right, yes. So we have some Oreos here.
Right.
Some minced Oreos.
Right.
And we're going to be taking some heavy cream and ice cream, and we're going to be creating our mousse finish.
Right.
You can use almond milk, whatever type of milk you choose to. Almond milk, low-fat milk, but today I am using heavy cream.
You're spoiling the kids today. Yeah. All right, let's get cracking. So it's like an ice cream mousse kind of finish.
Yes. And we're going to add in all our healthy factors into it.
Right, because this one is brought to you by the folks at Regal, and she's using the entire line of Regal Seeds, Pumpkin, Chia, and Sunflower seeds.
Correct.
Okay. Oh, you're not making the ice cream from scratch?
No. It's quick.
Right.
You're making a quick something.
So whatever ice cream you have in the fridge.
Whatever, yeah. So you could play around with the flavors.
Right.
So you get the ice cream in there. Add our heavy cream.
Oh, so you had the heavy cream also in the refrigerator as well?
Yes. Well, heavy cream, when it's cold and it's whipped, you get whipped cream.
Right.
It changes the consistency altogether.
Right.
So that's why I chose to use the heavy cream. We're going to add in some chia seeds. So this is our first healthy aspect. When you use the normal milk or whatever you use and you set it, you put it to set, the chia seeds will bloom and it will give you that nice thick consistency that we're looking for. So here we go. Should be fine there. Rest this aside. Now we're going to add our second bit of health factor. Let me just clear this up. So in this one, we're going to be adding the sunflower.
So the Regal Sunflower seeds.
Yes.
Going
into our crushed Oreos.
Just for the novices like myself, those cookies you would have put in a food processor
or a blender. Or if you don't have that, you can put it in a plastic bag
and pound the hell out of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Use your rolling pin.
Crush it.
And that's it there. Now we're going to start to plate. So you're going to put this to the bottom.
Okay.
As much or as little as you like. We're going to go with a lot. And this could be made the night before, and you rest it in the freezer to set up. And now we're just going to pour this on top there. And then we're going to finish it off with some pumpkin seeds. And we're just going to put that there.
But this could eat as is.
Well,
you
need it to set a little bit first.
Right.
If you want to get that mousse texture.
Right, okay.
Right, because as we blended it, and of course, we're gonna add our nice little garnish, nice little cherry.
It's pretty.
You have to be gentle because it's not set as yet.
Yeah.
Quick and easy. You put it and you set, and then you have it.
And it's good to go. Quick and easy cookies and cream mousse.
And when you dip into that, you get all the crunches of all your healthy grains.
We want to give big kudos to all the super moms out there because they're doing a fantastic job. All the parents, moms and dads, because the children are home, homeschooling, different challenge. But our super moms are here for you this season, right here at Home Sweet Home.